In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best 60% wireless gaming keyboards that will elevate your gaming experience. Whether you're after precision, speed, or just the perfect blend of aesthetics and performance, this list has something for everyone. If you're tired of bulky, unresponsive keyboards, stay tuned. We'll break down features, pros, and why these picks are the best in class. Let's dive in. First up, we have the CORSAIR K70 Pro Mini Wireless Mechanical, a keyboard that's perfect for gamers who need a compact yet powerful device. This 60% layout keyboard provides the ultimate in wireless performance with CORSAIR's ultra-fast slipstream wireless technology, making it ideal for gamers who hate dealing with lag. The Cherry MX mechanical switches offer precise and responsive keystrokes, ensuring you're always one step ahead in your games. The K70 Pro Mini also has per-key RGB backlighting, fully customizable through the CORSAIR ICUE software, so you can sync it with the rest of your gaming setup. If you're a fan of versatility, the ability to switch between wireless, Bluetooth, and USB-C wired modes is a great feature. For gamers looking for high performance in a compact form factor, the CORSAIR K70 Pro Mini Wireless is a standout option. Next is the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless, an absolute powerhouse in the world of gaming keyboards. Its Omnipoint 2.0 switches are a game-changer, allowing you to adjust actuation points on each key, which means you can fine-tune your key response time based on your play style. Need quick inputs? No problem. Prefer a more deliberate press for typing? You can do that too. This is one of the most customizable keyboards on the market. The Apex Pro Mini also boasts a solid battery life, offering up to 40 hours of gameplay on a single charge. Plus, with dual wireless options, Quantum 2.0 wireless and Bluetooth 5.0, it's designed for maximum connectivity. This keyboard's compact design doesn't compromise its durability either, thanks to its aircraft-grade aluminum frame. If you need a keyboard that adapts to your every move, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless could be your perfect match. The Razer Huntsman Mini brings Razer's signature speed and precision into a 60% design, perfect for minimalists who demand performance. Featuring Razer's optical switches, the Huntsman Mini delivers lightning-fast response times, making it ideal for fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. The double-shot PBT keycaps ensure that your keys stay durable and feel premium, even after long gaming sessions. Not only does this keyboard look great with its chroma RGB lighting, but it's also highly portable, perfect for gamers on the go. With the Razer Synapse software, you can customize everything from lighting effects to key bindings. The Huntsman Mini is perfect for those who love Razer's ecosystem and need a high-speed, durable, and customizable keyboard. The RK61 60% wireless mechanical keyboard is perfect for budget-conscious gamers who still want solid performance. It features 3 connectivity modes, Bluetooth, wireless, and wired, offering flexibility based on your setup. The RK61 uses mechanical switches that deliver satisfying tactile feedback, making it a joy for both gaming and typing. With its RGB backlighting, this keyboard not only performs well but looks great too, and the compact design makes it perfect for saving desk space. The RK61 supports multiple devices simultaneously, making it a great choice for gamers who use different platforms or need to switch quickly between devices. For its price point, the RK61 punches well above its weight, providing wireless convenience without compromising on key performance. Finally, the Logitech G Pro X 60% wireless mechanical keyboard rounds out our list. Known for its pro-level performance, this keyboard is designed with esports in mind. The Pro X features Logitech's GX Blue clicky switches, which provide that satisfying click sound while still offering high-speed actuation. What sets the G Pro X apart is its detachable switch design, allowing you to swap out switches to fit your preferred gaming or typing style. The Lightspeed wireless technology ensures a lag-free experience, which is crucial for competitive gamers. It's also lightweight and highly portable, making it ideal for LAN parties or on-the-go gaming. Add in the customizable RGB lighting and a strong battery life, and you have a keyboard that delivers top-tier performance. So, whether you're a casual gamer or someone who takes their gaming seriously, these keyboards offer something for everyone. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals on all of these products. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.